Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn about Standard 3 EVS subject. In our previous video we started our new lesson number 10 about kitchen. Okay, so today we are going to continue it. Let's start. Have you seen a chapati being made in the kitchen or anywhere else? There are so many things to be done for this. Taking out flour in a utensil, kneading it into a dough, making small balls of the dough, rolling out the balls and then cooking it on fire. After so much efforts, the chapati reaches your plate. Here you can see the same steps in the picture, students. In the first steps, flour in a utensil, second kneading it into a dough. In the third step, making a small balls of the dough. In the fourth, rolling out the balls. In the fifth, cooking it on fire. See and write. Go to the kitchen and observe something being cooked. What all was done to cook it? Name of the item and ingredients. Name of the item is rice. Ingredients of rice: rice grain, water and salt. Steps. First steps was a bowl of rice grain with clean water. Second step, take 2 glasses of water in a pan. Third step, put rice grains in the pan. Fourth step, boil it on stove until the grains are cooked. Okay, so here are the process of making rice. It is very easy, students. You have seen that food items are cooked in a variety of ways. Some are baked and some are fried. Some are roasted while some are steaming. These all are cooking methods, students. Some items are baked, some items are fried, some items are roasted, some items are steamed. Food items like bread, pizzas are baked in oven. Food items like samosa and puri are fried in oil. Food items like papad, roti are roasted. And food items like idli, khaman are steamed. Okay? Think and write. Given below are different methods of cooking. Write the names of 2 things cooked by each of these methods. And add some more method of cooking to the list and give examples. The method of cooking. The first method of cooking is roasting. So papad, corn, bhakri, roti are the things that can be cooked by roasting. Next method of cooking is boiling. Soup, potatoes are 2 things that can be cooked by boiling. Next method of cooking is frying. Puri, samosa are 2 food that can be cooked by frying. Next method of cooking is baking. Cake, handwa, bread are the things that cooked by baking. Steaming and shallow frying are also method of cooking, students. Rice and khaman are 2 foods that can be cooked by steaming. And vegetables and parathas are 2 foods that can be cooked by shallow frying. There are many more items which can be cooked by all these methods. Okay. Now the next. Think and write. Which fuel is used to cook food in your house? Draw a picture in your notebook and write its name. A gas stove and a gas cylinder are used for cooking in my house. You know, student, gas stove is a very common It is used in most of in every house. Okay. Identify the pictures given below and write their names. Match the pictures with the list. Matching can be with more than one things. Students, different kind of stoves are used for the cooking process. You can see, students, this is chula. This is coal stove. This is gas. Solar cooker. This is primus. And this is electric gas. So in a chula, burning of wood and cow dung cakes produce heat. You can see here. Burning of coal and cow dung cakes produce heat. In a coal stove, burning of coal produce heat. In a gas stove, burning of gas produce heat. In a solar cooker, sunlight produces heat. In a primus, burning of kerosene produces heat. In electric gas, electricity produces heat. Now the next, read and make. Soak whole mung seeds overnight in water. In the morning, wrap the soaked mung in a wet cloth and cover it. Take it out after a day. Do you find any difference? Yes, the mung seeds had become soft after a day. They had also developed small shoots. Such seeds are known as sprouted mung. Okay? Add sliced onion, tomatoes, salt and lemon juice to the mung and mix. Share it with your classmates. Now look and write. Which are the other things you can prepare without cooking? Here we have one example. You can see, students. Lemon water. Step 1 is mix sugar in water. Step 2, add lemon juice. Then strain it and lemon water is ready. So we can make fruit dish without cooking. First step is chop fruits. Second, add sugar and salt. Third step, mix all the things and fruit dish is ready. We can make lassi without cooking. Step 1, take 1 cup of curd, add sugar and ice cube. Mix well using a mixer. Then lassi is ready. Okay, students, with this we come to the end of the lessons. So let's learn some additional exercise of this chapter. Question 1. Select the best option. A chapati is made out of A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Flour and D. Gram. And the correct answer is C. Flour. Second one. A dish is eaten raw. It is not cooked. Pulao, samosa, chapati or salad. Salad is a correct answer. A salad is eaten raw. It is not cooked. Third one. This is a liquid cooking fuel. Coal, kerosene, gas, or all of these. And the correct answer is kerosene. Kerosene is a liquid cooking fuel. Fourth one. Which of these cooking fuels is most environment friendly? A. Gas. B. Sunlight. C. Cow dung cakes. D. Electricity. So sunlight is the cooking fuel is most environment friendly. Fifth one. Cakes are baked in an oven, a tawa, a frying pan, or none of these. And the correct answer is cakes are baked in an oven. Question 2. Write true or false. First one. All food can be cooked in a pressure cooker? Yes, this is the correct statement. Second one. All utensils are made of aluminium? True or false? It is a false, because utensils are made of steel, glass, brass. Okay. Third one. Making lemon water requires sugar. Yes, this is the correct statement. Fourth one. For making chapatis, we must knead the dough. Yes, this is the correct statement. Question 3. Fill in the blanks. A chapati is cooked in 4 stages, and the first stage is taking out this in a utensils. What is the correct answer, students? Flour. A chapati is cooked in 4 stages, and the first stage is taking out flour in a utensils. Second one. The first steps in making a delicious snack with moong seeds is dash the seed overnight in water. And the correct answer is soak. The first step in making a delicious snack with moong seeds is soak the seeds overnight in water. Now the third one. Onion is a vegetable which can be eaten both raw and cooked. The answer is cooked. Puris are made by frying them in a karai. Fifth one. We use dash to light a chula. We use fuel to light a chula. Match the following. Baking bread. Baking bread. We can make bread by baking. Boiling tomato soup. We can make tomato soup by boiling it. Frying samosa. Roasting chapati, and steaming idli. Okay. Question 5. Answer the following. First one. Why do many utensils have wooden handles? Wood does not get heated up that much, so can hold the handles and cook easily. Second one. Which famous South Indian dish is cooked by steaming? It's a idli. Name an electricity appliance used in the kitchen. Mixer grinder. Which gives more smoke from the flame? A gas stove or a coal chula? It's a coal chula. Fifth one. Name 3 dishes which can be cooked by boiling. Boiled potatoes, boiled eggs, and tomato soup. Okay, students? So write this exercise in your homework in your book as a homework.